What is a Riser card? A Riser card is a printed circuit board that picks up a multitude of signal lines via a single connector on a motherboard and distributes them via dedicated connectors on the card. Riser cards are often used to allow adding expansion cards to a system enclosed in a low-profile case where the height of the case does not allow for a perpendicular placement of the full-height expansion card. A Riser card is a board that plugs into the system board and provides additional slots for adapter cards. Because it rises above the system board, it enables you to connect additional adapters to the system in an orientation that is parallel to the system board and save space within the system case. The Riser cards are used in rack mount server and industrial computer applications. In 1U and 2U rack mount computer systems, Riser cards are integrated into the system to allow the addition of feature cards in a horizontal position. This is due to the height limitation of a 1U and 2U system, which are 1.75 inch and 3.5 inch respectively. Typically, a 1U system uses a 1U single-slot Riser card, whereas a 2U system uses a 2U 3-slot Riser card. Desktop computer Riser boards were used in LPX, NLX, and even some ATX motherboards. LPX motherboards had a Riser board slot on the motherboard. NLX motherboards plugged into a Riser board, and Intel had an ATX motherboard with Riser board. The ATX Riser board supported either 2 or 3 PCI cards but never supported AGP. Nowadays, Riser cards are often used by miners for mining crypto coins. These Riser cards extended by USB cable are used to place GPU mining cards in a so-called mining rack. The Advanced Graphic Riser is a variation of the accelerated graphics port used in some PCIe motherboards made by MSI to offer a limited backwards compatibility with AGP. Advanced Graphics Riser is effectively a modified PCIe slot allowing for performance comparable to an AGP 4X or 8X slot, but with limited support for AGP cards. Most popular Riser cards: Memory Riser card, CPU Riser card, PCIe Riser card, Advanced Graphics Riser, Communications and Networking Riser. Thank you.